We wish you all the best for 2021 from the teams of SafeC. On the agenda of this new episode, we have, among others, $500 billion from AI to feed the economy. We will visit Turkey, where Athens are imposed new KYC requirements. City Union Banks launch a WhatsApp banking options, and stay tuned at the end with the future of voice monitoring with ToxMod. Google India on Thursday said artificial intelligence alone can add $500 billion to the economy and help in better forecast impact of crisis. According to Google official, the company has committed $10 billion for expanding India's digital footprint. Coronavirus disruption has accelerated the adoption of artificial intelligence-based services and automation in business, but also in daily life. NASSCOM's report says that increase in AI investment will intensify significantly return on the gross domestic product of economy. Nasdaq 100 US fintech FISERV has announced the acquisition of On Systems, a leading digital experience platform for financial institutions. The transaction will further expand FISERV digital capabilities, enhancing its suite of integrated solutions to enable clients of all sizes to deliver frictionless, digital-first and personalized experience to their consumers. On processes more than 1 billion transactions per month and provides digital capabilities for over 30 million cards issued by 4,500 banks in the world. FISERV plans to further develop the On platform's unique interplay between real-time authorization, user context, and artificial intelligence to engage users in moments before, during, and after transactions. Turkey introduced KYC requirements for independent attorneys. With the recent amendment, independent attorneys will be deemed an obliged party and thus be obliged to conduct KYC checks before transaction on various activities as purchase and sales of real estate, incorporation, mergers, banks management, and so on. In case of failure to fulfill the obligation on client identification, reporting suspicious activities, and content verification, attorneys will be subject to an administrative fine and about $500 that is 10 times more than before. The Financial Crimes Enforcement Network issued a notice last week to alert financial institutions about the potential for fraud, ransomware attacks, or similar types of criminal activities related to COVID-19 vaccines and their distribution. This notice also provides specific instructions for filing suspicious activity reports regarding such suspicious activity related to COVID-19 vaccine and their distribution. The Tamil Nadu-based City Union Bank is now available on India's most popular messaging application, WhatsApp. The bank has recently launched a new video KYC facility through which anyone can open a new bank account from the comfort of their home or office, as a next step towards digitalization through the platform. With CAB's WhatsApp banking service, customers can get a variety of information and can register for the services by sending "Hi" to the bank's consumer care number through WhatsApp. Through the platform, various services are offered as instant account opening, account balance inquiries, deposit opening, and more. Korea's leading enterprise blockchain technology company has announced it is developing a blockchain-based mobile driver's license under regulatory sandbox approval in South Korea. South Korea's Ministry of Science and Telecommunication granted Iconloop permission to test its decentralized identity technology on mobile driver's license, with the goal of better preventing forgery and protecting personal data. To end this edition, a deep dive in the future of compliance with Modulate, a blooming AI startup that has raised $6 million this year to develop their solution ToxMod. Modulate has created a new artificial intelligence tool that can detect and flag problematic and toxic speech in real-time voice chat. ToxMod detects and alerts moderators when it hears racist slurs, threats, or anything else the developers wants to know. The AI uses context and emotional indicators to distinguish when something said actually rise to the level of a problem. Thus end this edition of STVN News, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to click on the notification bell, and go on Twitter, Instagram, and of course on safety.com to get all our topics on compliance and innovation.